So this is going to be a video showing the USB-C woven cable. As you can see on the box, it shows some information. It says it's up to 60 watts. So we'll test that. Open this with the sticker. Clean peel. Ooh, look at this. Let's see how close we can get. Wow. So it's pretty standard. Looks like the MacBook Pro one, I guess. There's a woven quality. Anywho, so we're gonna compare the speed using this. So I have the cable that came with this. And we'll test that first to show that it does charge at 140. So I'm using the 140 watt Apple charger. And it appears to be charging slowly. But as you can see, it goes up there. About 120 for this cable that came with it. So I'll unplug that. And then we'll test this one. I believe this one came with the iPad. It's pretty thin compared to the, I'd say they're around the same thickness. Right about. So this one was a thin one. I believe it came with the iPad. So we're gonna use the same exact charger. The same 140 watt charger. Let's see what it says. So this is the older iPad cable. And it goes up to, oh, holy crap. Holy shit. Okay, well that's pretty good. 86. It's pretty impressive actually for how thin it is. And then this is the new cable. So we'll adjust this out. And this new cable, we'll let it pick up. Oh my god, it's actually less. Holy crap, it's actually like limited. So this thin ass cable actually pulls more power.